Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do some conditional statements. If, else if, else. Okay, so we're going to create a little program here. I'm going to put house selling price here. House selling price is equal to 100. 1, 2, 3. £100,000, let's say, and the min offer or the minimum offer I will take for this house is equals 85,000 because I want a quick sale, you see, of the house. Okay, so we're going to create some user input here. So offer is equal to float, because we're going to be dealing with decimal numbers here, so we're going to use the float. And we've got the input to grab the input from the user and give the user a message what you want them to do. So enter your offer. Enter your offer here. Okay, so enter your offer here. Right, here we go onto the conditionals. So if the offer is greater than or equal to the house selling price, then we've got to do something. So what we're saying here is if the offer is greater than this number or is equal to this number, we're going to do something. So we're going to print the user a message and tell them what we think. You've got a deal. Okay, you've got a deal. Okay, now if the user doesn't offer anything that's greater than or equal to £100,000, we're going to use the elif statement. Else if. Elif offer. If the offer is equal to the minimum offer, we're going to say, okay, is equal to the minimum offer. I might be able to accept your offer. Okay, equal to the minimum offer. Print. Okay, that's good. I thought you'd, let's say, I thought you'd pay a little more. I thought I could squeeze a couple of grand extra out of them. Okay, what we're going to do is just going to hit onto a new line there. Okay, and then we're going to print here another little message for them. Please sign the papers. Please sign the papers here. So okay, so we've accepted that offer. I'm going to do another elif here. Offer, let's say, is less than the minimum offer. We're going to print a message to them. So print, let's say, if it's less than the minimum offer, which is £85,000, we're going to print them a message. Stop wasting my time. And let's say new line there. Stop wasting my time. And if anything unusual happens in the program, we're going to use the else. It's like a catch-all to catch anything else that might happen. Print. I'm just going to print a message. Something went wrong. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do is we're just going to save that and we're going to run the program. Okay, let's have a look what it looks like. So enter your offer. Let's see. So I'm going to enter 100. Let's say 150. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You've got a deal. Okay, well, I'm glad about that. Let's run this thing again. Okay, so I got a deal. Let's enter the minimum offer, which was 100,000. Okay, what do we get? You've got a deal. Okay. And let's offer them, let's offer them the minimum offer, which is 85,000. Okay, that's good. I thought you'd pay a little more. Please sign the papers. Okay, and let's offer them a lot less. Let's say 75,000. Okay, stop wasting my time.